Precious Floral's doTERRA kit. I'm super excited. I have not opened any of it yet, so I am super excited. So we'll kind of be doing this together since I haven't seen what's in it and you haven't seen what's in it. So when I first look at it, I already love it because it is actually a really cute box, and also it is small and tiny, so that means that if you are a travel person, this is great to have with you because it is travel size. So if you're ever on the go, this is perfect for you. So let's go ahead and do this. So what I've noticed is that in the back, it shows you the oil and the ingredients and also the directions, which is very good because, you know, yeah, so that you can know what's in it, so that you can know if you're allergic to anything. So, good. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, so this is looking great. It has like, here, I'll count them. How many it has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has 5 oils, which is pretty good. So here it says something right here, so I'm going to go ahead and read that. This floral collection is a journey for the senses. Each doTERRA touch blend can be layered to create your own unique romantic bouquet. So we're going to go ahead and just look inside. It looks so neat. That's one thing that I love about doTERRA, is that all their kits are so neat and tidy. They're all laid out perfectly. So first we're gonna try this one. This is Enrolli, I'm pretty sure. Yes. It's so tiny, which is good because, you know, travel size. I'm gonna be actually putting them all on my wrist or on my thing so that I can smell each one of them. Wait, no, not gonna smell it yet. I'm a little tempted there. Ooh, that smells good. It almost smells like, in a way, lotion but flowers. Does that make sense? I don't know, but this one smells really good. Like, I would definitely, if I was making my own mix, I would definitely use one of these. This is so good. Next, we're going to try Jasmine. Super excited. Can I smell it? That does smell good. It's almost like a, I don't know what it smells like. It just smells really good. That's all I know. Okay, next we have rose. They may smell like roses. Hold on. I can't really see it that well. Okay, well, that's okay. I'll just do it. Let's hope these... that smells like roses, just like I said. And I like how they make it smell like what it is, you know? That's pretty cool. Next we have blue lotus. Pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but yes, but we're gonna smell it. I don't know what this would smell like. That one's like really good because it's like a light, subtle smell. It's not too strong, not too less strong. It's like perfect. I really like that. This is Magnolia. I love how small these are. These are like so cute. Okay. Anyways, keep trying these. I'm not sure what this smells like, but all I know is that it smells super good. All right, so that was all the oils, all of them together, all on my wrist, just smelling them. All smell so good together. So I would definitely make my own blends. Like they said, you can make your own and mix different oils and make them smell really good. I love all of doTERRA's kits. They honestly have such good oils. Number one, they smell good. Number two, they do work for like headaches or stress, or like if anything is hurting or something, they work. And also, most of all of their kits and oils are all travel size. So bring them wherever you go. Okay. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I also hope that you try this kit out for yourself because it is amazing. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.